So in our previous video, in the end of the video, we just discussed about the algebraic identities which are going to be used. So we'll just recap that thing once again. The algebraic identities what we are going to have will be, first is a plus b the whole square will be equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square will be equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and finally a plus b into a minus b will be equal to a square minus b square. So these are the three very important algebraic identities which you are going to use in the exercise. Now this particular identities you are going to not only use over here, but it is going to be a very important thing even in the 9th and the 10th standard. So see to it that you remember these three completely by heart. Okay, so that is the first thing, is about the algebraic expressions. That are the three identities. The three identities are a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So whenever you are having any particular sum given to you, you are going to compare the a of that particular whatever is the binomial given to you. You are going to compare that binomial each and every term with a and b and accordingly get the answer. So we'll start with the exercise directly because it's exactly the same what we have to do. So we'll start with exercise, that is exercise 10.5. We are on exercise 10.5, and as usual we are going to do the alternate sums, and this time again I am going to use the alternate sum made 2, 4, 6, 8. Instead of doing 1, 3, 5, I am going to do 2, 4, 6, 8. So we'll be taking the first second sum, and then fourth sum, and then sixth sum, and so on. So that will be the pattern in which we are going in this particular chapter. Right, so we start with exercise 10.5. The first one is, first ka second is 9y minus 5 into 9y minus 5. Now this is nothing but 9y minus 5 the whole square. So the formula what you are going to use is a minus b the whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So over here, if you see this thing, what is happening? We are having that a is equals to 9y and b is equals to 5. Got it? So this, you don't need to write this in your examination or in your answers, but yes, this formula you need to write. This is what the substitution you are going to do. So accordingly what will happen? This will be equal to, now a is 9y, so it will be 9y the whole square minus 2 into 9y into 5 plus 5 the whole square. So this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now you open the brackets. 9 square is 81 y square. Do not forget y will also get squared, so do not just write it over here as 81y. It is 81y square. This is minus 5 2s are 10, 10 into 9 90, so it is 90y plus 25. So the answer over here is 81y square minus 90y plus 25. Clear? We see the fourth sum now. So sum number 4, it is 3 upon 2 m plus 2 upon 3 n into 3 upon 2 m minus 2 upon 3 n. That's the question. So we know that the term what we are having will be in the form a plus b into a minus b. So we can see that a is given by 3 upon 2. This is equals to a square minus b square. So a is 3 upon 2m and b is equals to 2 upon 3n. Accordingly the answer will be equal to 3 upon 2m the whole square minus 2 upon 3n the whole square. So answer will be 9 upon 4m square minus 4 upon 9 n square. That's the answer for this particular question number 4 of first one. We now move on to question number 6 of the first one. Question number 6 we have is p square upon 2 plus 2 upon q square into p square upon 2 minus 2 upon q square. Again, this is nothing but a plus b, a minus b. So we are having the formula a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So accordingly we have it as p square upon 2 the whole square minus 2 upon q square the whole square. So the answer will be p raised to 4 upon 4 minus 4 upon q raised to 4. That's the answer for sum number 6. Right, this was let's the answers over here. Right, we now move on to sum number second ka second. So sum number second ka second. 97 square. Now whenever you have such a sum, you are not multiplying 97 by 97. No ways. You cannot do that thing. Here you have got two options. Either one is 90 plus 7 the whole square, but here 90 ka square ho sakta hai, difficult ho. But otherwise, easier part will be this is nothing but 100 minus 3 the whole square. The formula is a minus b the whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that's why it is nothing but 100 the whole square minus 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 the whole square. So that gives you 10,000 minus 600 plus 9. So that will be 10,000 minus 600 is 9,400. So 9,400 plus, so 9,409 will be the answer. Okay, this is 9,409. Now, even if you had taken it the other way around, like I'll take in the, here I'll show you once again, it is a plus b. So if I make it like this could be equal to 90 plus 7. So that will be 90 plus 7 the whole square. So it will be 90 the whole square plus 2 into 90 into 7 plus 7 the whole square. So that will be 8100 plus, that is, so this you can see, you can have more multiplications and things to be done. Anyway, you can check it out. So 18 into 7. So 8, 6. Yeah. So it is 18 into 7, 756 and 7, 12, 126. Yeah, so 1260 plus 49. So that totals to be 9. Then, one sec. What's the problem? Yeah, 6 plus 4 is 10, and then 1, and then 3, 4, so 4, and then 9. So 904. Yeah, same answer. Got it? So you can do this method also. This is the second method. This is the first method. This is better than this one because here 100 makes it very easy. Here multiplication में गड़बड़ हो सकता था. So उसके लिए it is better that you take this method. We see the next one, that is fourth sum. Fourth sum is 997 the whole square. Okay, 997 the whole square. Again the same way we are going to say it as 1000 minus 3 the whole square. So it is a minus b the whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what is a? A ka value is 1000. So it is 1000 the whole square minus 2 into a ka value is 1000. B ka value is 3 plus 3 the whole square. So this gives you 1 and 6 zeros. minus 6000 plus 9. So this will give me as, so it is 1 and 6 zeros minus 6000. 0, 0, 0. So this cancels to 10, 9, 9, 1. So this will be 994. Yeah. So 994000 plus 9. It's 994009 as the answer to 997 the whole square. Understood? So this is sum number 4th of the second part. Now we see the next one, that is sum number 6th. Second ka 6th. It is given as 496 into 504. Now you can see over here, in this case, this actually is 500 minus 4 and this 500 plus 4. Right? So I can write this as 500 minus 4 into 500 plus 4. So this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. So what is the value of a over here? A over here is 500 and b over here is 4. So answer is 500 the whole square minus 4 the whole square. So 500 the whole square is 25 and 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and this is minus 16. So that will give you as 249,984 as the answer. Understood? That is 2,50,000 minus 16 will be 2,49,984. So that was the answer for sum number 2nd ka 6th sum. We now move on to sum number 2nd ka 8th sum. The question is 9.6 the whole square. Okay, 9.6 the whole square. The easy way out will be definitely be 10 minus 0.4 the whole square. So it is a minus b the whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is the value of a? A is 10. This is a, 10. So it is 10 the whole square minus 2 into a is 10. What is b? B is 0.4, 0.4 plus b is 0.4 the whole square. 10 ka square is 100, so it's 100 minus 0.4 into 10 is 4, 4 2s are 8, so it is 8 plus this is going to be 0.4 into 0.4 will be 0.16. So this gives you as 92 plus 0.16 is equal to 92.16 as the answer for 9.6 the whole square. Okay, 9.6 the whole square is given as 92.16. This was sum number 2nd. Now we move on to sum number 3. Right. Third ka second. Find the following squares. So it is given as 5 upon 2a minus 3 upon 5b the whole square. So this is a minus b the whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is the value of a? A is 5 upon 2a, so it is 5 upon 2a the whole square minus 2 into a का value is 5 upon 2a, b का value is 3 upon 5b, and then it is 3 upon 5b the whole square. 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4, a square is a square, minus this multiplication में cancellation हो गया, so that will be 2 cancel, 5 cancels, what will remain is minus 3ab, so minus 3ab plus 9 upon 25 b square, so that's the answer. 25 upon 4a square minus 3ab plus 9 upon 25 the whole square. The next is sum number 4th. I'll do one thing, I'll take the third one because fourth one is exactly identical to this, so I'll take the third one so that it looks different, so that's why I'm going to do it. It is root of 2a plus root of 3b the whole square. So this is the formula, a plus b is equals to whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Value of a is root 2a, so it is root 2a the whole square plus 2 into root 2a into root 3b plus root 3b the whole square. Now root 2 is nothing but the root of a is nothing but a raised to 1 upon 2. So if I make this square, it will be automatically this square, so 2 gets cancelled, so accordingly the answer will be a. Therefore root 2 into root 2 is equals to 2, root 3 into root 3 is equals to 3, so root a into root a is equals to a. Okay, got this thing? The root of any number into the root of same number is equals to the whole number. So that is root 2 into root 2 is 2, root 3 into root 3 is 3, root 5 into root 5 is 5. So accordingly over here, root 2 the whole square is root 2, square will be 2, and a square is a square plus. Now root 2 into root 3 is root 6. So that will be 2 root 6 ab plus root 3 into root 3 is 3 b square. So the answer will be 2 root 2a square plus 2 root 6 ab plus 3b square. That was sum number 3, third ka third. We now going to sum number 4. Now for sum number 4, there is one more new identity. Okay, this identity we had not learned earlier. So let's first understand the identity. So the identity is x plus a into x plus b. So if you multiply it, you know that it will be x into x plus b plus a into x plus b. So that will be x square plus bx plus ax plus ab. So here you can see x is common. So what you get is x square plus a plus b the whole x plus ab. So this is the formula that x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Now in this case, you can see that if at all there is any negative sign over here, we will take a negative sign of this numbers also. Like for example, if it is x plus a into x minus b, then I'll say over here x square plus a plus minus b x plus a into minus b. ऐसे करके हम लोग solve करेंगे. Okay. So when we see the sum, we'll be able to understand much better. So this is what you are going to use the formula as: x plus a into x plus b is x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Okay, there is also a very important formula we need to learn by heart. That is x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus bx, a plus b in the bracket x plus a into b. So let's see the exercise. So we are on question fourth ka second. They given us as 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. So if the formula what we'll be having is x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. So we are going to take, what is x? Here 3x is x, so it is x square, so 3x the whole square plus a plus b. What is a plus b over here? This is a and this is x, this is a, this is x and this is b. So a is 4, whereas b is minus 5, so it's plus minus 5 into x. Now x is, what is x over here? 3x, so you write 3x plus a is what? 4, and what is the other part? Minus 5. Did you understand the substitution here? The substitution here is very important. See, this is the formula what we need to apply for this. And in this case, what are the things? We are seeing that x का value क्या है? 3x is equals to x. Or we can say x is equals to 3x. What is a? A is equals to 4. What is b? B is equals to minus 5. Okay, so when I am using these values over here, I will need to substitute this way कि जहाँ पे x सम फॉर्मूला में वहाँ पे 3x लिखना है, जहाँ पे a था वहाँ पे 4 लिखना है, जहाँ पे b था वहाँ पे minus 5 लिखना है, x के वहाँ पे 3x लिखना है, and so on. Understood? So you need to substitute in a proper manner so that you are not making a mistake. Mind well, in this particular formula, see, and other formulas, or the 3 formulas, you did not have any you don't have to see the signs of the center numbers and pair. Here you will have to see the sign. Whether यहाँ पे minus 5 है, तो b will be minus 5. In our earlier 3 equations, we did not see the sign. हम लोग a को सिर्फ value देखते थे. We were just, like for example, when I say 3x plus 4, or so 3x minus 4 the whole square, so I just wrote over here 3x the whole square minus 2 into 3x into 4. I did not put minus 4 over here. Right? Why did I put minus 4 over here? Because the formula states itself that this itself is a square minus 2ab. So this minus is already there in the formula. So I don't need to take the negative sign for b over here. Got it? So in this case, we need to see the sign accordingly. This will be 9x square minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1, minus 1 into minus 3, minus 1 into 3 will be minus 3x minus 20. So this is the answer. This was fourth sum, fourth ka second. Now we see the fourth ka fourth. Fourth ka fourth is ABC plus 3 into ABC minus 5. So that means my x is ABC, so my x is equals to ABC, and my a is equals to 3, and my b is equals to minus 5. So the equation is x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. So again here it will be ABC the whole square plus a is 3 plus minus 5 into x is ABC plus b square, b is 3 into minus 5. So this gives you a square b square c square minus 15 ABC minus 15. That's the answer. Okay, this was sum number 4 ka second and fourth. 9x square minus 3x minus 20 and a square b square c square minus 2abc minus 15. Okay, sorry, mistake here. Minus 3 is minus 2, not multiplication, it's addition, so it is minus 2. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Okay, I made multiplication, sorry. So that was sum number 4. We now move on to sum number 5. There are only 3 sums over here, so I'll take the 1 and the third so that I am reducing your homework part. I'll do the first and the third sum of sum number 5. (203) into 204, which is nothing but 200 plus 3 into 200 plus 4. The formula is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So that gives me x is equal to 200, so 200 square plus 3 plus 4 into 200 plus 3 into 4. So this is 4000 plus 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14, so 1400 plus 12. So the answer will be 41412. That's the answer of 203 into 204. Clear? Simple? Okay, next one will be, okay, I'll do the second one because third one is very easy. It's 100 plus 7, 100 minus 7. So that's an easy sum. I'll take the second one. So second one is 8.2 into 8.7. So that is nothing but 8 plus 0.2 into 8 plus 0.7. So the formula is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Value of x is 8, so it is 8 square plus value of a is 0.2 plus 0.7 into x is 8 plus 0.2 into 0.7. 8 square is equal to 64 plus this is 0.9. 0.9 into 7 is 9 is the 72, so it is 7.2. Okay, or else I'll write it over here 0.9 into 8 plus this is 7 to the 14, so it is 0.14. So that is 64 plus this is 7.2 plus 0.14. So that will give me as 71.34. Okay, 0.14, this is 34, 71, yeah. So that will be 71.34. So the answers to question number 5 were 41412 and 71.34. That was question number 5. We now move on to question number 6, but we'll continue in the next video.